Welcome to Sunny Days. After you park in the driveway, you'll walk up the stairs and this will be your view of your home away from home. This is in Croatan Beach, one of Virginia Beach's premier luxury beaches, public beaches. So it's just 2 blocks away. You'll see in the photos just how close we are. Here's our living room, perfect for everyone to relax in, turn on a movie, play a game, pull out a puzzle, whatever is best for your group. But we have enough space for everyone here. And then this perfectly bleeds into the the kitchen and the dining room. So everyone can stay together no matter what activity you're doing. Here's our fully equipped kitchen. Nice bright colors for the beachy vibes. We have everything you need to prep, clean, store your food for the week if you want to go everything from a big meal to a small snack. We have it for you. Plenty of seating options as well with this adorable little coffee nook, some bar tops, and then of course the dining table to seat everybody for that big family meal. Go ahead and get some FaceTime with each other, turn off your phones, relax, enjoy this space. So there's stairs in this property, there's no elevator. So on this living floor, there's 1 bedroom. We have the bathroom that is accessible from the living area. It's a very shallow tub, but you can take a bath if you want. We provide all the amenities in case you forgot something, like shampoo, conditioner. And moving into this bedroom, it is a full bed, perfect for up to 2 people. Plenty of storage between a dresser, walk-in closet, a wardrobe closet, and this vanity dresser. And moving back out to the living room, another great feature on this floor is the patio. You can get your outdoor dining, which you can actually walk up from the pool deck area to here, but this has plenty of space for everyone to sit in and relax. You can watch everybody in the pool, but really enjoy this space. And this door leads to that bedroom we just looked at, so if anyone from the bedroom wants to come out and sit, they have private access there as well. Okay, we'll start upstairs first. Up to our 3rd floor. This is the top floor in this space. We have a cute little cubby hole to see the living room in case you need to talk to somebody down there. And then we have one of our king bed bedrooms, which has its own little patio, private patio. So in this bedroom, we have plenty of storage for you. There isn't a closet, but all these empty drawers are available for you. Have a mirror to get yourself ready. Nice bright daylight here. And there's also this very large, beautiful private bath. So this is redone. And one of the coolest things about this is it's one of those open concept showers. So perfect for anyone who needs more of an accessibility shower, or you just want to feel fancy with you have the rainfall, you have the double shower heads, perfect to rinse off a whole bunch of people after the pool or the beach. So this is actually the private bathroom for that bedroom. This is basically your own floor. And down the stairs, we have multiple awesome features to show you. Take one of these fun spirally staircases. And this opens to a versatile area, so perfect for game night, movie night. If you brought your Switch, you can go ahead and hook it up. We got a futon bed here if you need some extra sleeping area. Off to the right is a bathroom. This is for this floor. So another shallow tub, but we do have another tub perfect for kids, or if anybody likes to take a bath to relax, and then we have a bedroom with 2 twin beds in it. Perfect for 2. And this becomes a full futon. For anyone wondering, there's plenty of space between the closets down here as well. And then we have another full bedroom with a cute little reading nook for our bookworms that are coming to stay with us. Perfect for a rainy day to hang out here and enjoy that book you've been dying to read. All right, that's the inside. Now moving to the outdoors. Oh, I do apologize. We also have a garage right here. So you can definitely park in here, and as you can see, we have a few bikes available for you, beach chairs, floaties, whatever you want to use, this is available to you. And moving to the pool area. It's a very large, spacious patio. It's got a grill if you want to do some barbecuing while everyone's hanging out by the pool. Such a fun slide, perfect for the kiddos and the kids and the adults. We all need to let that little kid out sometimes. But this is an awesome pool. Keep in mind it does not have railings other than the locked doors as the protection there. But as you can see, if we come around here, all the decks that we have here. So many decks on this space. So this is our sunny days area. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon when you book.